I got referred here because I needed some specialized work done on my gums. And it was a really great experience when I came here to the office. Everyone was very welcoming. They listened to what my needs and concerns were and helped accomplish my goal for me very easily. When I had my first visit, my consultation to go over what my needs were, Dr. Gohel was very understanding. She took the time to really listen to my situation, understand what the needs were and what my concerns were, because it's never fun going to the dentist. That's like the fear of everybody, is having your teeth worked done. I don't know why that pain freaks everybody out. So I was very nervous when I got here, and she did a really great job at easing my anxiety and concerns and letting me accomplish the things that I needed to get done to my gums. I would definitely recommend Dr. Gohel if you're getting any type of procedure done that makes you nervous. She's very good at explaining the procedure to you and calming you down. She made it very easy. She was very welcoming, really talked it through, and I had an ease about me during the process. So that made it really nice and enjoyable. I would definitely recommend her.